Number one, have goals and ambitions. If you do have your goals and ambitions, it will make you wake up every single day and strive to execute your goals and ambitions. Set goals for the day, short-term goals, long-term goals for a week, for a month. You get the idea. Number two, take actions. Use the 5-second rule. Whenever you feel like you don't want to do anything, but you have to do it, but you don't have no motivation, use the 5-second rule. It goes like this. Count from 5 down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. If you don't feel like getting out of your bed in the cold morning, just count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, out. Trust me, it works. Number 3, have a hobby. Read books, travel, explore places, chill out with your friends, basketball, football, it don't matter, just have a hobby. Do YouTube videos, I don't care, just have a hobby that will keep you busy and maintaining your time wisely. It's not about the money, it's more about time. She'll make sense when you see how I spend mine. J. Cole. Number 4, prepare for the day and actually execute the plan that you had. Get a notebook or a notepad, write down all your plans and execute them one by one. Start by short-term goals and then go to long-term goals. Short-term goals like, doing your laundry or cleaning your house or your car, whatever. Your short-term goals, but make sure that you complete them before that day ends. Have a reason as to why you're doing the things that you're doing and love doing the things that you're doing. Because if you don't love them, why the fuck are you doing them? So have the reason as to why you're doing the things that you're doing. Number 5, have a purpose in life and know your why. Why are you doing 3 jobs a day? Why are you waking up 5 a.m. in the morning? Why are you going late to bed? Why are you editing those YouTube videos? Why are you doing whatever you're doing? Know your why. If your why is not strong enough, you're not gonna manage your time wisely. It's scientifically proven. So if you know your why and you know why you're doing what you're doing, bro, you're gonna love it. I'm telling you, bro. Know the reason as to why you haven't given up yet. Why do you always hit the gym every single day? What are your ambitions? What are you looking up to? Dreams are nothing if they're not executed. So know why are you doing whatever you're doing? Who is the motivation? What is motivating you? And who is your inspiration? So know that why, and trust me, bro, it's gonna work good for you. Point number 7 or 8, I don't give a fuck anymore, I lost count. But go to the gym, go hit the gym, bro. I kind of talked about it, but it's important, it's crucial. Go hit the gym. Hitting the gym will make you feel good and look good. It will make you feel confident and be confident with time. It will make you be proud of yourself and feel good about yourself. Number 8, get something to challenge you for a day. Write down the challenge that you want to achieve for that day and do it. For example, if you said you was gonna do your laundry today, do not procrastinate and do not say, nah, today I'm tired, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. No, just go do the laundry. Find something that challenges you every single day and do it, and make sure that you get better at it. Or if you wanna read books, you're deciding on reading books, decide at least to read 10 pages a day and make sure you stay consistent on reading 10 pages a day. You'll get better and better, trust me. Or you can also listen to audiobooks and podcasts. Finding challenges like reading books every single day, like 10 to 20 pages a day, it will help you build your mental health and mental strength. You'll actually feel good and proud about yourself, and at the end you'll be happy. It will also keep you motivated and inspired on chasing and actually achieving your dreams and goals. Last but not the least, also the biggest of all the points we've talked about, you should know one thing: you are always in control of your time. You manage your time. You make up the time for doing A, B, C, D. You make up the time to do everything that you're doing in your life. It's all under your control. You decide when you're gonna wake up, when you're gonna go to school, when you're gonna go to work, when you're gonna do the action that you're supposed to be doing in that particular day. You decide that. If you don't feel like doing it, don't do it. If you feel like doing it, you'll do it. So you are in control of your time. Do not waste it. That's where the saying spend time comes from. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. If you want to do it, do it. Life is so short and unpredictable. It's about Wiz Jeph. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been a short video, but I just wanted to put it out there. Just right now, at the end of this video, make sure you get a pen and a paper and write down the reasons as to why you're doing whatever it is that you're doing. Why are you working more than 2 jobs a day? Why are you going to school every single day? Why are you doing whatever it is that you're doing? Why are you practicing every single day? Why are you hitting the gym? Write down those reasons and make sure you read them every single morning. It will help you manage your time and actually stay focused and inspired and in doing whatever it is that you want to do. Hang around with friends and find some good friends. If you don't have any, create a group. It's not hard to make friends. It is that easy and you can do it. Just think about it, and if you want to do it, you will do it. If you don't, it is what it is, man. If you're an introvert, it is what it is. Just find a group of friends. It will actually help you manage your time wisely. Next point, get a job. If you don't have a job, get one. Make sure that you have a job. I don't matter where you're working from, but just get a job. If you're at a job, it will help you be busy and keep on working on getting money. You're actually getting money and you're not wasting your time on some dumb shit. Next point, listen to podcasts. or listen to motivation speakers on YouTube, on Instagram, whatever, or TikTok. Just listen to them and make sure that you repeat what they're saying to yourself. Be optimistic and be a positive thinker. Next point, do some exercises. I don't care what it is, or home exercise or gym or class, it don't matter, but just do some exercise. You can go for a run or hike, you can go for a walk, evening walks or early morning walk. It is what it is. Just do some exercise. It will help you calm down, and it will also help you stay focused and motivated. Do meditate. I'm telling you, bro, do meditate, bro. It helps. Like 30 minutes of a meditation per day, bro. It's so fucking helpful. Like if you get good at it, you'll see the benefits of it like instantly, just like that, bro. It's something that you need to do. If you're not doing it already, just start doing it by right now, bro. I'm telling you, stop this video right now. Don't even finish the video, bro. Just go and start meditating right now, bro. Sit down, close your eyes, and start with the simple one. Breathe in and out, in and out. If you don't know how to meditate, go look it up on YouTube. They'll teach you like beginners steps, how you're supposed to do it, how you're supposed to see, bro. You do your research, man, but do meditate. Do not medicate. Do meditate. Jeph God. Next point, visit your family members, bro. Go visit your family members, your aunt, your mother, your uncle. I don't care. Just visit your family members. If you don't have anything to do for the day, or you don't have you're free for the day, you know what I mean, just go visit your mother, go visit your father, whatever, man. Go get good with them, talk to them, you know what I mean. It will help you feel better about yourself, feel confident, and also spend your time wisely because you're spending it with your beloved ones. Next point, this is actually funny, but go to bed, sleep. If you don't have anything to do, you have nothing to do for the day, you just like, you don't know what to do, just go for a sleep, bro. Go to bed and sleep. Sleep or watch Netflix, but don't go outside doing some dumb shit just because you got nothing planned for the day and you just go walking anyhow, you don't have no plans. Don't do that. Go to bed. You don't know what's gonna happen outside there, bro. This world is too crazy. Just go to bed. Spend your time wisely. Just sleep. It's been good having you all here, man. It's your boy Wiz Jeph. Peace and love. Make sure you watch the previous videos too. Like and subscribe, bro, if you like the video. I'm gonna make sure I keep on doing my best every single day for you. I love you all. Peace and love.